guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I store my hair extensions. I just switched up the way that I actually store them. I used to store them with just like a regular pant hanger that looks like this. And this actually worked out great to store them, but not organize them. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing now to like actually organize them and differentiate them, because I have a lot of hair extensions and they're all different. I have some blonde ones, I have some dark ones, I have ponytail, I have halo, I have clip-in. So I needed something where I could just visually look at it and grab it and know exactly what it is. So just like in my jewelry organizational video, I went ahead and took photos of all of my pieces of hair extensions, like the 3 weft, 2 weft, you know, all the different styles. I have the halo up here, I have the ponytail here, and I went ahead and laid them back there and just took them with my camera that I'm filming on right now. But again, you don't have to have a camera to do this. You can just use your iPhone. It's just as good. Sometimes the quality is even better. And then just upload them to picmonkey.com, which is free to use. And then I combined them all, and then I had mine sent to Staples to be printed because I don't have a printer. But again, if you do have a printer, it's just that much more affordable and accessible. But still, getting them printed at Staples was like 35 cents, I think. So it's really not that bad. But I went ahead and had all of my hair extensions printed out, and this is one of the copies that I had. And the other thing you're gonna need is some storage bags. I think that these are from, these are from Target. And these are just in the quart size, and these fit the extensions really well. And you can get a bunch of different tops on them. These are just ones that I actually had that we use for storage, like in the kitchen. But you could definitely get ones that have like clear tops so you don't have the pink showing. You can get ones with, you know, I think there's blue, green, you know, there's a bunch of different colors you can choose from. This is just what I had, so this is what I used. And it even comes with like this little label that says date and contents, and you could actually write on there like what's inside of it if you wanted to, like with a Sharpie or something. But again, I put the pictures in, which I will show you in just a second. The next part is super easy. These are a couple of the hair extensions that I already have in the baggies. These are my blonde ones. I also have my dark ones on the bottom. And I also have my dark ones here on the bottom. So you're also gonna need a tub to store them in. You can get these so cheap, like under $5. This one is actually a shoebox holder, and I picked this up at Target. So there's 2 levels in it where you can fit 2 pairs of shoes. The reason why I got this is because it does have the divider, and I have blonde hair extensions and I have dark hair extensions. So I thought it would keep me a little bit more organized. But again, if you don't have different colors and things like that, you can just buy a regular little tote. They're like $3. And then on the front side of it, it comes with this little flap that I actually took off so I could show you guys this. But the flap just comes up, so it's just like acrylic, and you just lift that up and then you can get in. So it's just really convenient to grab your hair extensions out. You don't have to actually like take the lid off. You can just open up and take it out, or you could just leave the lid off if you wanted to, and then just face it that way, and then turn it around to get your hair extensions out. And it's really easy to actually like wind your hair extensions up to put them in here. The other thing that I really love about this is that when you close it, it almost goes airtight, so it just keeps your extensions like in place. So what I like to do is take a hair extension like this, and I will just fold it in half to where the top is like so. And then I will just take my extension and I will wrap it up around my hand like that. Slip my hand out to where it's a little circle, and then that's how I will put it in the baggie. And then it just makes like a little coil hair extension in here, and then I will suck out all the air. So I'll press down on the extension. It's kind of hard to do on camera, but if you're like laying it flat, it's a lot easier. Almost like vacuum sealed in here, which is really cool. So now I'm going to show you what I do to put the picture in. That hair extension that I just did was this one right here at the bottom. It's a 3 weft, so I'm going to go ahead and cut that out. This is so easy to do, you guys, and it makes it so easy to find your hair extensions and also put them back in this place. Because before I even had like a storage situation, even before I was using this, my hair extensions would just be like lumped together, piled everywhere, just hair was all through this house. So now it's so nice because I know exactly where they're at and where to put them back. And you know, organization these days just makes me really happy. So once you have your little picture cut out, you'll just need some double-sided sticky tape. I use this in the jewelry video as well. And you'll just need to stick it somewhere on there. I'm just gonna put it right in the middle of it so you can't even see it on there. It's right there though. And then I'm also gonna put this on the inside of the bag just so the paper doesn't rip on the outside. So you can just stick it like right there to the plastic. Again, airtight that bag. I would recommend putting the pictures probably in first so you don't have to open the bag up again, but just for the sake of the video. So that is what you're left with. You have the picture in here of the weft, and then you have the weft in there. And another little tip for you guys, don't take a picture of the front of the extension, like actually take a picture of the clips, because that's how you're gonna tell which weft is in there. It's kind of hard to tell if, you know, you don't see the clips. So by taking a picture of the clips, I know that this one is a 3 weft because there's 3 clips. So it just makes it super easy. You can kind of just rummage through these and be like, there's the 2 clip, there's the 3 clip, I just need those, I don't need the 4 clip, or, you know, however you're gonna do it. And then you can just store them all together. So I quickly just wanted to come on here and share this with you because it's working out great for me, and it's just a really easy storage solution for your hair extensions. But again, if you're not into like the whole picture thing, you could honestly just put them in little baggies like this, do the exact same thing, just maybe label 3 weft, like put a 3, 2, a 1, so you know what weft they are. If you want to just categorize it by that, I just think the picture idea is like really cool, so that's why I did it, and it really does seem to help because I can like visually look on here and see which one I need. So just a little tip for you guys for today. So let me know if you try it out or if you plan to try it out. Also, if you have any other like organizational videos you guys want to see from me, please just let me know in the comments. I'm organizing literally everything in my house right now. It feels so good, and I just want to be able to share things that work for me that may work for you guys. And I'm working on a custom closet that I'm so excited for. So when all of that comes together, I will definitely share that with you guys. That will probably be a couple months from now, just because I have so many projects going on. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.